The government should set a national quota on how much plastic waste can be imported into the country.
We are proposing to the government, and we have agreed with the government, that Malaysia, we should set a national quota in the amount of waste that can be imported into Malaysia. We don't want to import the whole world's waste. We just want to import a sufficient amount that the local Malaysian industry needs. Plastic recycling industry should be allowed to go about in its activities, provided that it is regulated and controlled.
In July, the Housing and Local Government Ministry revoked the approved permits for plastic waste imports, affecting 114 legal plastic waste factories all over Malaysia for 3 months till October 23rd. This followed an uproar over the illegal recycling factories set up in Kuala Langat that caused pollution.
Perception on the plastic industry overall and the plastic recycling industry overall have been tarnished by their activities. We agree with the government to take actions against them. Basically, the ban for 3 months is very painful to the local operators, but is necessary in order to get rid of the illegals. Because the ban was very sudden, so many of them are caught off guard, and they are facing shortage in raw material supply to their operations. And because of that, their operation has been affected. We very much regret that, but unfortunately, that has to happen in order to protect the sustainability of this industry.
The situation in several places became critical after China banned plastic imports in 2018, leading to a huge impact on the global recycling system. Waste from countries such as Britain, Australia, and New Zealand was offloaded to places such as Malaysia, Thailand, and Vietnam.
That's why recycling is so important. Many of these plastic products, in fact, most of it can be recycled into useful products. Right? For example, the textiles, automotive parts, electronic parts, even plastic pallets. Banning of single-use plastic is not the solution. It's not the solution. The solution is, practicing 3 Rs. The government should come up with a good solid waste management system where recyclables can be collected, segregated, and sent it to the recycling industry for recycling, and to educate the public to practice 3 Rs. And do not litter. I think that is the fundamentals. The Japanese have done it. We should learn from them. The Taiwanese has also very good at it. It takes time to implement. We cannot get it done over 1-2 years, but over the course of 20 years, we can be done.
Only those with approved permits can import plastic waste. But according to Chia, there's a possibility that some sold the waste they imported to illegal operators. The government has now made it compulsory for those wanting to import waste to get the ISO 14000 certification by June 2019.